Edit another Windows installs registry. I have a hard drive plugged into my computer here which I'd like to edit the registry for. When opening up regedit, it obviously loads the local Windows registry. Is there a way to load the Windows registry for, say, drive G? Is there a certain file I need to open to edit this other installation's registry? I specifically need to edit a key in he_local_machine /system/current control set /services/ on the other machine.
I have only done it a few times. It is a very strange operation to drop in a Hive into the registry and edit it, using the quick method, but it worked. You select HKLM in your current registry, and then the file/load Hive operation will become usable. File means you have to find the registry Hive file itself by browsing. Windows/system32/config. Load in and name this other Hive section which will look like it has become part of your current registry. Use a really obvious and different name, so you can find it. The strange thing was why I would want to view this all mix into my current registry, but that's what they said to do. There must be a better way to clear the slate and load in only the one Hive I want to edit, but it worked, so I rolled with it. I had a full backup, so that helps when presented with this odd method. Whatever you do, certainly do not import it in, that would be a mess. Make your changes, which should change it immediately, then unload the Hive file/unload Hive and then close. Selecting Unload Hive unloads the one you loaded, there are no options then. More info this URL, although a good tutorial with pictures is what I used the first time.
Any changes you want to make for the other installation you may need to go to C:\bar. When you have got the file, make any changes you want to and then load this file into the machine of which the file was taken from.